You're lucky because today is our makeover video. Yes, yes. This is normally my favorite. No.
So I found the strength to say it was harder than catching the moon. And when the words fell out, I saw the warmth filling the room. So I gathered the strength to lift it, and you picked it up and laid it down.
Hi, welcome back to another video. So this is like day 2 of this makeover. Yesterday we did the painting for this one and also the undercoat for this one. So today it's like the final day, I'm hoping. So it's just setting up, finishing, and then we can call it a makeover. But so far so good. I've done basically a lot, and yes, we also did some cutting tulipandisha juu kidogo. Yes, so thank you so much for clicking to watch my videos. If this is the first time you're getting to interact with my content and seeing my face, my name is Regina. I do all things DIY, makeover, and somehow everything in between. So you're lucky because today is our makeover video. Yes, yes. This is normally my favorite. No, not my favorite. One of my favorite things to do. I do love doing makeovers and home refresh. And yeah, so we are here with this one, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So let's get straight to finishing this one before I
Picked me up and I am found. Oh, oh, oh. It's without a cause. Sometimes it's just because I think we found it. Oh yeah, we found it again. Easier to see it. The glow, it came pulsing this time. So when you really felt it, I saw the flame grow in your eyes. I finally let my guard down, open up the blinds, saw through. Open up my heart, you came through. Oh, oh, oh. It's without a cause. Sometimes it's just because I think we found it. Yeah, we found it again. It never faded. 'Cause you created, and then I found the spark in, whoa, the spark in
not too much. Because guys, thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you enjoyed this makeover and you'd like to watch more, subscribe down below and I will see you in the next DIY or a makeover video. Stay blessed, stay creative. Bye.